I know that smell.
Stalking you, I'm watching you! It's a totally legitimate job duty!
Nothing better to do, huh? I don't know what's got you acting like this lately, but it's really getting out of hand. Tell you what, how about I make it a point to see you every day? Will that make you feel better? Maybe then you can stop sneaking around like a... Hey, don't get the wrong idea, okay? You just still haven't done the job I paid you to do. So And I promise, I'm not going to forget you.
I hope that doesn't turn out to be a lie.
Huh? What's that?
Your panties were showing just then.